This is the rock crawler. Strong, fearless, and made for tough terrain. It climbs rocks, beats trails, and never backs down. No limits, no stopping. This is the true off-road champion. Watch closely. Some cars will try to cross this sticky glue trap. Will they make it through, or get stuck for good? Let's find out. Oh my god! That was way too close. It gave everything it had, but the trap was just too much. Now, all eyes on the next challenger. Can it survive what's coming? Here comes WLTOYS. Fast, fierce, and ready for the challenge. Let's see if it can handle the stunt. Wait a second. Did he just pull that off perfectly? Unbelievable! Will the next refresh beat this one? Let's find out. Finally, he pulls it off, just when we thought it couldn't be done. Unbelievable! The army truck just finished its stunt. Nothing can stop it. The battle is on. But who came out on top? Drop your thoughts in the comments.